Donald Trump has been trending for the past couple of weeks, and whether it's been about the elections, about his attempt assassination, or cryptocurrency, he has managed to keep his name at the top of the list, and this is indirectly helping this very popular meme coin, Super Trump coin. Guys, we've been covering this coin very early on, and we've been seeing the rise and fall of this project, and it looks like this project is yet to see another massive pump. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Super Trump token, taking a look at the price action, taking a look at what's going on with the news for this project, as you're not going to want to miss out what's going on with Super Trump coin. We see large brokerage profiles maintain position in S Trump. We see Coinbase holding a ton of tokens, as well as a bunch of other exchanges as well, holding a massive amount of supply, looking like people are pretty bullish. I'm bullish on S Trump. S Trump price is rising with most of the market going green. S Trump rocket is fueling up and almost ready to fly to new horizons. Great signs for a new all-time high. Only a little time left to join such a sale price. S Trump to $1. And guys, the fact that it's not yet at 1 cent, that means we could be seeing over 100x gain for this project. So let me know in the comment section below, are you bullish or are you bearish? Talking about bullish and bearish, guys, we're taking a look at the overall crypto market. We're up 1.5% on the day. However, in terms of volume, we're down nearly 40%. Fear and greed index not looking too great, currently at a 43 neutral, slowly creeping back towards fear. Just a couple weeks ago, we were actually back into greed, so it's interesting to say the least. Bitcoin back to 56K, at one point scaring, breaking below $50,000, which is a pretty fearful sight to see. Ethereum down to $2,500, and honestly, guys, this is opportunities to buy. Whether it's altcoins or meme coins, guys, these discounts are not going to be here for a while, so make sure you load up while these coins are low prices. Take a look at the trending tab, guys. The reason we're talking about Super Trump token is it's trending at number 2 today, up 8% on the day, down 22% on the week, and down 27% on the month. A great opportunity to buy some of S Trump token. We see, taking a look at the project, guys, over just $10 million in market cap, which is actually a very small market cap in terms of meme coins. It's ranked 947, so it's a long way to go. If this reaches the top 100 tokens, even the top 100 meme tokens, it could be absolutely solid for S Trump token. So you may want to load up as we see these super low prices. We go to the 1 year to see the full picture, guys. We see it pumped off. It released, it had a nice pump, pulled back, kind of trade sideways. Then it pumped again, only to pull back. And we're anticipating it's going to have another rally up to its previous all-time high, which was close to 3 cents, which if you bought it now, you're seeing anywhere from a 3 to 5x gain by simply buying and holding. That being said, if it does continue to pump even more and become a top meme coin space, a $1 S Trump token does not sound too crazy. Talking about crazy opportunities, guys, I want to take a second to highlight a pre-sale gem that's been going absolutely crazy, and that is Pepe on chain. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during pre-sale to max out on your rewards before the price skyrockets. Currently offering a 258% AP. If you want to load up, guys, link in the description below. This project has already raised over $7.5 million, and in 6 hours, I'll have a next price hike. So if you want to buy it at the absolute lowest price, now is the time to strike. Link in the description below. Back to Super Trump token, guys. As we can see over on X, garnering over 12,000 followers, and they're posting pretty actively. We see sharing how they've been trending number 2 in CoinMarketCap. This is absolutely massive, a massive milestone for the S Trump army. So that's pretty bullish. We see Donald Trump keeps talking about crypto. Watch what happens when he becomes the next president of America. Donald Trump says maybe we pay off our $35 trillion debt by handing them a little crypto check, handing them a little hashtag Bitcoin. That's pretty bullish that Trump is such a massive advocate for crypto. If he does become the new United States president, this could be absolutely bullish for crypto. Donald Trump has been making headlines, whether it's for crypto or the presidential debates and candidates. It's interesting to say the least. And the more Trump starts pumping, the more S Trump might can pump as well. So the more Trump's popular in news, the more this project could continue to pump. Talking about news, even S Trump being covered a decent bit in the online crypto space. And it's safe to say that this bet is a solid small cap project that you absolutely do not want to miss out on. Now, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But do let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish on S Trump? Are you bearish on S Trump? What do you think is going to happen with this project? If Trump wins the election, do you think this is going to make this project pop off even more? That's what I'm thinking. If this project does, if Trump, goes on to win the candidacy for the president, it could possibly cause S Trump to go absolutely crazy. We already seen it happen with Mega, and I think we're going to see it happen with S Trump as well. That wraps the video. Until next time, guys, your friend Umar. Peace.